Welcome back to another episode of Tony's Kitchen. Today we're making fried cabbage. This is a vegetarian version, no meats involved. As always, the ingredients will be listed down below. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can receive all of my newest uploads. All right, guys, let's get started. So I've already melted 4 tablespoons of butter. You're going to add some onions and bell peppers. I'm going to let the onions and bell peppers cook on medium heat until they are translucent. I've already cut the cabbage and now I'm going to add it to the mixture. You're going to let this cook about 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, so now we're going to add a half a cup of water and let it cook for another 15 minutes. So the cabbage has been cooking for about 15 minutes with a medley of green peppers and onions. So now it's time to add the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, minced garlic, 1½ teaspoon liquid smoke, and about 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I know you're going to absolutely love this cabbage. So now we're going to add a little bit of pepper and garlic powder. Stir that up. And let cook for another 10 minutes.